Hello everyone, it's nice to have you again. I remain Mr. Michael. In our previous class we talked about regular plural nouns. Can you still remember? Alright, regular plural nouns. Remember I told you in the last class what plurals are? I also told you what nouns are. And I went further to explain what regular plural nouns are also. I made you all to understand that regular plural nouns take their plural forms by adding either your s, es, ves, or res to the singular noun. That's how you form the plural nouns. So that's why we call it regular plural nouns. Remember I said regular plural nouns take its plural form by adding either s, es, ves, or ies to the singular nouns. Alright, looking at the board we have different exercises. I want us to do this together. So you're going to go through the section with me and you're going to pay attention also, so you listen carefully. Now we asked to do something here. What are we asked to do? Write the plural form of each singular noun below. Write the plural form of each singular noun below. Then label it a person, place, or thing. We ask to write the plural form of each of the singular noun here, and we ask to label it. We ask to attach a name to it. Is it a person? Is it a place? Or is it a thing? Now we have an example done on the board already. Example, chair, singular, chair, chair, singular, just a chair. Now when we have more than one chair, we call it what? We say the plural noun will become chairs, chairs, chair, chairs, chairs. Remember, we added our s to the singular word to form the plural. This is because now the chair is more than one. Chairs. And what's a chair? Is a chair a person? No. Is it a place? No. Is it a thing? Yes. A chair is a thing. This is because it doesn't have life in it. Chair does not walk. Chair doesn't jump. Chair doesn't smile either. So it is a thing. Now let's do this together. House. House. So what's the plural form for house? Houses. 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 House. Houses. Is a house a person? No. Is a house a place? No. Is a house a thing? Yes. Now, let's go to number 2. Pencil. Pencil. What's the plural form for pencil? Okay. Pencils. This is because it's more than one. Pencil, one. Pencils, more than one. A pencil is not a person. It's neither a place, but it's a thing. Pencil is a thing. Number 3, computer. Computer. So the plural form of a computer is computers. 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 A computer is not a person, it's not a place, but it's also a thing. I know some of you might be wondering, Mr. Michael, how is everything a thing? Well, we might have a place somewhere. Let's go further. Number 4, camera. Camera. The plural form for camera is cameras. 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 A camera is not a person. A camera is not a place, but it's a thing. Number 5, television. Television. So we have the plural form for television as televisions. Televisions. And this is not a person, it's not a place, but a thing. Clock. Clock. We have the plural as clocks. Clocks. And this is also a thing because it's not a place, neither is it a person. Desk. Desk. The plural form for desk is desks. Desks. And it's also a thing. Table. Table. The plural form for table, we have tables. Tables. And this is also a thing. I know you're all surprised that everything here is a thing. Yes, I was going to kind of trick you because some of you are thinking that I might mention one of these as a person or place. But no, all these fall under the category of thing. Alright, can we make sentences with all of these plural nouns? Houses, pencils, computers, cameras, televisions, clocks, desks, tables. Okay, let's make a sentence with this word, houses. My father has many houses. My father has many houses. Houses. My father has many houses. Pencils. Pencils. I have 5 pencils. I have 5 pencils. Computers. Computers. My school My school has lots of computers. Cameras. Cameras. Joy has 2 cameras. Joy has 2 cameras. Television. Television. John has 3 televisions in his house. John has 3 televisions in his house. Clocks. Clocks. My mother has 2 clocks. My mother has 2 clocks. Desks. Desks. My school has many desks. My school has many desks. Tables. Tables. I think I have 4 tables. I think I have 4 tables. I would like you to make your own sentences with all of those plural nouns. Do not use the same words as I did. Okay, having done this, let's move over to this other section. We'll ask here to use the plural nouns from the word box below. We have a word box here, so we are asked to use the plural nouns below to complete each sentence correctly. We ask to use these words, some of those words to complete these sentences. In the box, we have buses. Can you repeat after me? Buses, horses, classes, lunches, dishes, fences, grasses, dresses, switches, guesses, faces. Fantastic. Okay, let's go over with this. Number 1 says, I saw the yellow dash lined up outside of school. I saw the yellow dash lined up outside of school. Which of this one do you think fits into this number 1? Will you say, I saw yellow horses? I saw yellow dishes? No. Yellow guesses? No. But I saw yellow buses lined up outside of school. Buses. I saw yellow buses lined up outside of school. Buses. So this is the correct word for number 1. Number 2 says, there were many dash to the lights I wanted to turn on. There were many dash to the lights I wanted to turn on. Many what? Where do we turn our lights from? We turn on our light from where in our houses? From the switch. From the switch. So there were many switches. Switches. There were many switches to the light I wanted to turn on. So switches is our answer from number 2. Switches. Switches. Number 3. How many dash will you take next semester? How many dash will you take next semester? Now, semester has to do with the school setting. It has to do with a section of a school. Like how we have first term, second term, third term. So we have semester. Some say they are in their first semester. Some will tell you, I'm in my second semester, so it depends. So now, how many dash will you take next semester? Looking at our words in the box, how many dash will you take next semester? Classes. How many classes will you take next semester? How many classes will you take next semester? Number 4. I had to wash the dash after dinner. You had to wash what after dinner? Dishes. Fantastic. I had to wash the dishes after dinner. Dishes. I had to wash the dishes after dinner. And the last one here, number 5. We went to watch the dash gallop. We went to watch the dash gallop. What gallops from the words we have in the box? Buses, dishes, dresses, horses. Fantastic. Horses gallop, or a horse gallops. So we went to watch the horses gallop. We went to watch the horses gallop. Now, this regular plural on the board should be so, you should try to get yourself so used to them so that whenever you see any singular noun anywhere in any book which you're asked to provide the plural form of the singular nouns, you should, with this lesson, be able to do it very well. I will give you exercises on this. So you're going to give me or complete some of the sentences I will give on the board later. I will give us sentences and I will ask you to fit in the correct plural noun of that sentence. Thank you, and have a great day.